Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Experience luxurious living at the Onyx, located within the prestigious Paradisiac Beach Club on Jamaica's north coast. This elegant three-bedroom, three-and-a-half-bathroom townhouse offers a modern design, spacious interiors, and stunning ocean views. The open concept layout features a sleek, fully equipped kitchen and light-filled living spaces. Each bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom, with the primary suite boasting a walk-in closet, spa-like bath, and private balcony. A private patio offers outdoor space perfect for relaxation or dining. As part of Paradisiac Beach Club, residents enjoy a private beach, infinity pool, fitness center, yoga deck, and an on-site dining, all within a secure, tranquil community located in St. Anne. The property is minutes from attractions like Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Ocho Rios. Whether as a permanent residence, vacation retreat, or investment, this townhouse offers the perfect blend of luxury and location. Schedule your private tour today and own a slice of paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 840,000 or Jamaican $131.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.